What if I told you this YouTube short with almost a million views and this TikTok video getting 10 million views are all part of a new gold rush? Well, they are. It's the AI Content Factory Gold Rush, and today I'm going to do something that no one else is doing. I'm going to give you the secret recipe. This is an AI Content Factory. It's an autonomous system that finds viral ideas, writes scripts, generates brand new videos, and posts them to TikTok and YouTube every single day on autopilot. The gurus will sell you a $2,000 PDF about this. I'm going to show you how to build the entire machine for free. Let's be very clear about what's happening right now. This is a paradigm shift. We are at the beginning of a new creator economy where the creators aren't even human. There are channels right now pulling in millions of dollars a year doing this. They post AI-generated history stories, AI-generated what-if scenarios, AI-generated scary movies, AI-generated body cam, and the audience love it. And here's the secret. The barrier to entry isn't coding. You don't need to be a developer. The barrier to entry is systems thinking. It's about connecting the dots. The secret recipe isn't code, it's workflow. It's a system that takes 10 different tools and plugs them together like Lego blocks to create a machine that prints money. And I'm going to show you how. And maybe you've already tried this. You've tried the faceless channel thing. What does that actually mean for 99% of people? Well, it means manually downloading viral clips, manually finding audio, manually writing scripts, manually editing, manually uploading. It's a grind, right? That's not a passive business. That's the operator trap. And you are still just an employee in your own business. You are a hamster on a wheel. My name is Waqas and this is Zenflow AI Automation. And today we're going to get off that wheel. We're going to build that machine that does the work for us. This is the machine. This is the AI Content Factory workflow built on a free tool called NA10. Let's walk through the three core systems. System 1 is the viral brain, the AI idea agent. It all starts here. This is not just a simple ChatGPT prompt. This is a custom trained AI agent that I've fed over 50 different viral video formulas. Its only job is to generate a new, unique viral style script every single time it runs. System 2, the Hollywood, the AI video generator. That JSON prompt is now sent directly to an AI video generator. My personal model is trained on Sora 2, but you can plug in Google's Veo, you can use Kling, you can use any video API you want. The system doesn't care. It just tells the AI, go make this video, make it vertical, make it high definition. System 3, the distributor, the Zen part, and the social publisher. Now here's the real magic. The workflow waits for 5 minutes, you can set it for whatever time you like, takes that finished video and automatically posts it to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The best part, this entire workflow is on a schedule. Every single night at 3 a.m., this machine wakes up and builds a new video and posts it all by itself. So why am I showing you all of this? Why am I giving away the secret recipe? Because I'm not a guru trying to sell you a dream. My brand Zenflow AI is built on one simple idea. Workflows clear, mind clears. And I want to be perfectly clear about something. I'm not here to promote senseless, useless AI slop. I'm not interested in just polluting the internet. This viral channel I'm showing you is an example use case. It's a simple, powerful way to demonstrate the power of the system. But the system itself is the real asset. This exact same workflow, this secret recipe, can be used for so much more. Think bigger. You can adapt this system to generate valuable educational content. You could build a workflow that summarizes history facts. You could build one that creates daily word of the day videos in Spanish. You could automate on this day in history content for school. So the system is the asset. My goal is to teach you how to build the system. What you do with it, well, I trust you to build something valuable. right? I believe in building calm, scalable systems. The operator trap I talked about, it's real. These tools, N10, AI, this is what got me out. I'm starting this channel to give away the good stuff first. I want to build a community of builders, not just passive followers. Now, the first question everyone asks is this even allowed on YouTube and these social platforms? Can you even get monetized? And the answer is yes, absolutely yes. YouTube's policy is simple. You just have to check a box that says your content is synthetic or AI generated. That's it. This is not reused content. You are creating brand new transformative videos from scratch. This is original content and YouTube is actively monetizing it. I'm seeing people in our community build systems like this and get monetized within 3 months. Think about that. You spend a weekend building the machine, you let it run, and in 90 days, you have a new passive monetized asset. The return on investment, the ROI on this is insane. You're investing a small amount of time to build a machine that can generate thousands of dollars a month for years to come. This is the power of a true system. So here's the deal. This entire workflow is the secret recipe, and it's way too much for one video, right? That would be a 1-hour boring lecture, and that's not Zen. So instead, I've broken it down into 4-part mini-series where we are going to build this entire machine step by step together. To get started right now, I've packaged the Viral Brain My Custom Trained AI agent with all 50 plus of those viral prompts, and I put it on my Gumroad as a 100% free download. This is the part the gurus would never give away. The link is right at the top of the description. It's set to $0+, so you can just put 0 and get it for free. So when you download it, you'll join my private email list, and I will personally email you as soon as part 1 of the Build Along series drops next week. So you'll get the Viral Brain, then I'll show you exactly how to build the rest of the body. This is your chance to get in on this new goal rush before everyone else. Go grab that free Viral Brain from my Gumroad right now. The link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss part 1 of the build. My name is Waqas and I'll see you in the next one. Let's build something Zen.